Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a strawberry banana nail tutorial, I guess. I'm not a professional, I'm just practicing, so this is a practice video. So if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just prepping the nail. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I just seen other people like cut the tip of the nail off and just file the top of it so it could be rough. Now I'm putting a nail tip on, and for these I heard that you have to put like a bigger size on there so it could fit perfectly. So yeah, and I always file them down so it can like match the nail. Okay, so now I'm going to be shaping the nail. I'm not that good at shaping. I don't know if it's the way I hold the file, or if it's the nail tip, or if it's just the practice hand in general. But every time I shape, it always looks crooked or something. So I don't know. I ordered some new drill bits from Pana. So if you have any recommendations on what I could do to like improve my shaping, or please leave a comment down below. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my nail prep hydrator from Model 1s and my primer from Model 1s. And the monomer that I'm going to be using is from Nail Supply Glamour, and the color is Milky White, and it's also from Nail Supply Glamour, but if you have any Milky White, it'll work. And the strawberry and banana, what do you call them? Decals or whatever, I got them off of AliExpress. They sold like a whole bunch of each fruit in a pack. So yeah, but now I'm just going to be applying a thin coat of the Milky White, and then I'm going to be putting the fruits only at the tips. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying a coat of the milky white on top of the fruit. Okay, so now I'm going to be encapsulating the nail with Mia's Secret Clear. Okay, so now I'm going to be filing, but I'm not going to include the whole filing process because I'm not that great at filing and it takes me forever. So I'm just going to cut most of it out. Okay, so now I'm going to be encapsulating the nail with the IBD gel, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this somewhat of a nail tutorial. I was just practicing and I just wanted to film myself practicing, but I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I will see you in my next nail video.